We are pleased to show you 2012 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, 6-speed automatic transmission standard, hard disk drive media storage, floor mats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.